Hey guys, welcome to Food Santa. My name is Roy, and today we are going to be showing you how to prepare amazing green peas curry. This curry goes really well with chapatis, puris, baturas, and of course parathas as well. Let's take about 300 grams of green peas and pre-soak it in water for about 5 hours before cooking. Now let's add 2 glasses of water and about a tablespoon of salt, and close the cooker and let it cook for either 10 minutes or 1 whistle, whichever is the earliest. Now let's take about 100 grams of finely chopped onion, 10 to 15 grams of ginger, about 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, and about 5 green chilies. Let's add about 3 spoons of ghee and about 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan and let it heat up. Once this is heated up, let's add the finely chopped onions and let's begin to stir. Make sure that the onions are coated well before you add the other ingredients. Once the onions are coated, let's go ahead and add ginger, garlic, and your green chilies as well. Now begin to mix and let it cook for about 1 minute. Let's take 2 whole finely chopped tomatoes and add it to the mix. And begin to stir and make sure that all the vegetables are coated well in the ghee and oil concoction. Once you've seen all the vegetables coated well, let's go ahead and start mixing about half a handful of coriander. Also add about 10 cashew nuts and about a handful of pudina as well, which is mint, and start mixing. Now let's add about 1 whole scoop red chili powder, 1 whole tablespoon of coriander powder, and mix well. Now let's add about 2 longs, about 2 to 4 cardamoms as per your requirement, about half a spoon of jeera, about half a spoon of cumin seeds, and about half a tablespoon of black pepper. Also make sure to add about half a spoon of turmeric powder and mix all the ingredients really well. Let this mixture cook for about 2 minutes on mild flame, and then let's go ahead and transfer this to a mixer grinder. Add about a whole glass of water into the mixture and let's go ahead and grind our masala together. Please make sure to grind the masala for about 2 or 3 minutes. We would need the masala to be really soft paste texture. Now let's take a new pan and add about 2 tablespoons of ghee and about 2 tablespoons of oil, and let it heat for about 30 seconds. Now let's take about 100 grams of finely chopped onions and mix well and make sure that the onions get caramelized. Now let's take the grinded mixture, the fine masala paste, and add it to this pan with the onions, ghee and oil and mix well. Also take about a whole glass of water and add it to this mixture. Now let's add salt as per your requirement. Let's take the green peas which are sitting in our cooker and go ahead and transfer it to this pan which contains the masala. And now let the whole curry cook for about 3 minutes, and you should be able to see the curry bubbling away after 3 minutes of cooking. Let the curry cook for about 3 minutes, and once you see the curry bubbling away, you know that the curry is cooked. And you can also add about 3 or 4 cubes of butter to give it that extra oily texture, which increases the taste a little bit on your palates. Stir well to make sure the butter is melted. And now you can go ahead and serve the curry with either parotas, chapatis, baturas, and let me tell you, this curry works really well with puris. If you have guests coming over, go ahead and serve them with puris. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like our content, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much and have a nice day, guys. Bye bye.